Viewers, as you all know, our MPs, Member of Parliament, not conducting a Parliament session of summer. From this, you can recognize how they are serious for the development of Indian economy and to carry out various development processes. They are continuously delaying the parliament session. Viewers, in my view, there is one more parliament house like Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha for military operations. Viewers, in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha there is a speaker, so in military operation parliament session need to be organized annually and made CDS Chief of Defence Staff as Speaker of Military Parliament Session. Our military operations and their developments and various weapons need to be discussed annually in a parliament session, and all this discussion needs to be viral to every Indian household so that we can also see what our military doing for us and what views and suggestions we can pass on to our military. So one more house except Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha need for parliament for military operations and made Chief of Defence Staff Mr. BP Rawat as Speaker of Military Operation Parliament Session. Viewers, it's my own view for military operations parliament sessions because we always give much more importance to military and for it and its operations. So please comment, work on my suggestion and please do this. Thank you, viewers.